Okay, so today I'm going to be starting another project. I've just pulled the motor out of my quad bike, as well as I've taken off all these plastics and the exhaust. All the plastics and everything were already unbolted because I started a rebuild on this ages ago. I painted up all the plastics and things. So I've now taken the motor out from the quad bike over there, and I've decided to open this up, and I'm just going to have a look and see what it looks like inside.
Don't try, instead we lie, shut our eyes. Just lie there and get up and say that this is not okay. I'm sure that you were just afraid of what they might say. In this city it takes you down, yeah. I'm sure you felt it when they frown, yeah.
Okay. So I thought the camera was filming, but it actually wasn't. I've pulled the whole cylinder off now.
We watch people come and pass us by. We try not to feel affected, yeah. It's funny how we don't try. Organized, televised. Just lie there and get up and say that this is not okay. I'm sure that you were just afraid of what they might say. In this city it takes you down, yeah. I'm sure you felt it when they frown, yeah.
Okay, so I got the motor fully pulled apart here. On this side of the table is all the quad bike stuff, that's stuff for the pit bike. But that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where I start reassembling and cleaning up this motor.